guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and I have a package here from Dior and it was beautifully wrapped. Wow, I got this like a few weeks ago during the holiday and I just got a chance to unbox it because I've been so busy, and here it is. Here's the packaging. And also during the holiday, also Dior has this beautiful shopping bag. Very nice. I think this is one of the most beautiful shopping bag, the holiday shopping bag from the fashion houses this year, I think. But Louis Vuitton, they have one. It's also nice, but it has been recalled for some issues. But also Gucci actually came out with this beautiful shopping bag as well. But I think Dior is my most favorite. But anyway, I have this beautiful package here. Oh my gosh, I just love how they wrapped this beauty set that I got. Yeah, the packaging for Dior is amazing. I mean, also the box itself, the ribbon, and also the gift tag as well. So anyway, let's open this. Okay. So here's the items that I got. Oh, look at that. Nicely done. So let me just open this and show you the items that I got. So these are just beauty products from Dior. Wow. Oh, so I'm probably gonna have to turn my camera around so that you guys will be able to see up close of what I have here in the box. So the items are here. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys will be able to see what I purchased, okay? So I am going to show you this beauty set that they have for Christmas. I'm not sure if this one is still available though. But anyway, oh wow. Look at those items that I got. So let me start with this one. So this one is a Dior Vernis. So I believe this is the nail polish. So let me see the nail polish. I'm so excited for this. And oh yes, the exact color that I wanted. And I love this red color. So this is the Rouge 999. So yeah, rouge means red. Very, very nice. Wow, I am so excited to use this. Okay, let me just... Okay. Oh wow, it also has... Yeah, this is my very first Dior nail polish. The packaging is beautiful for this. Wow. Very nice, but I love it. Yeah, this is such a perfect shade for me. So anyway, moving on to the next item. So what we have here is, oh, so this is a lipstick, which is the matte Rouge Dior lipstick, Golden Nights in Comfort. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at inside. The branding right there, it's beautiful. Look at that. Very nice packaging. And this is how it looks. Wow, look at that. The snowflake detailed is amazingly beautiful. Look at that, guys. Very fancy. I love it. Love this red colors. Beautiful. So that's the second one. And then the third one that I got, I think this is the, yeah, this is the eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow. It says here, long wear creamy powder palette. Yeah, I'm excited to find out the pigment on this eyeshadow, guys. So this one, oh my gosh, look at that. It's already something inside. It looks like it has been damaged. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there is some remnants of those powder inside. And also here outside as well, outside of this palette. And yeah, look at that. I got a damaged palette. Wow. Surprisingly. I can't believe it. Wow. Maybe, yeah, it's just so hard sometimes to... it's hard to check because it's already in the box. So yeah, the palette is entirely damaged. Wow. Woo, I am so excited for this. And apparently this one is damaged. Terrible. Wow. Well, I'm probably gonna have to contact them. They might probably, I don't know with the policy for Dior, because I'm probably gonna have to contact them. They might probably surprise, hey, what took you so long to contact us about this? So anyways, moving on to the next. So the rest of the items were actually a free sample. So what is that one right there? So yeah, this one is in a drawstring bag. This is this free sample. So let's see what I got. So this is a Miss Dior Rose and Roses. Yeah, so this is the sample. Let me smell it. Smells good. And also what we have here, this is another sample. Oh, so the Eau de Parfum J'adore. Okay. So this is a travel size. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. The bottle is very, very cute. I love it. Wow. Very nice. So this is the travel size. So this is part of the samples. I believe I have 3 samples. Let me just check my receipt. Yeah, I do have, yeah, I do have a free samples. And okay. Oh, I think this is another free sample. Let me just take a look at, oh yeah, I think. So this is, oh wow, the packaging is nice for this. Wow. Let me just open it like this way. And oh, look at that. How fancy the packaging is. Oh, very nice. It's also in Rouge, the Dior. So let's take a look at inside. Oh, wow. There is a 2 lipstick inside. Wow. Is this part of a free item? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure about this. Yeah, it looks like it's a complimentary, not for sale. Yes. Yeah, this is a free sample. So it just seems to look like these are like similar to what I have shown earlier. Yeah, this is a sample because this is the comparison. So this one is like a travel size. So I think this is just, yeah. Oh wow, very lovely. Wow, so beautiful. I think these are just like the same though. Yeah, which is also Rouge. Very nice. Then the other one has the snowflakes, which is so nice. And I love the packaging on this one. The packaging is amazing. Wow, it's so beautiful. For a sample, yes, it's indeed beautiful. Look at that. Hold on. Just like that. Very nice. Very, very nice. So these are what I got. So these are the samples. I have 2 lipsticks in here. And then we have the nail polish, which is also in Rouge 999. And then we have a lipstick in here, which is a Rouge Dior Matte 999 as well. And then the sample, Miss Dior. This is the sample. And then another sample here, Dior. And then this is the palette. I've been waiting for this. This one is damaged, unfortunately. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.